Black actors who have never been corrupted by money. Number 1. Angela Bassett. Angela Bassett has had fame and admiration for decades, yet she has never seemed driven by flashy luxury or celebrity excess. Her image has always felt classy, focused, and far more about substance than showing off wealth. Number 2. Forest Whitaker. Forest Whitaker built a powerful career without ever turning into a flashy Hollywood figure. Even with awards, fame, and major success, he has always seemed more focused on his work and purpose than showing off wealth. Number 3. Cuba Gooding Jr. Cuba Gooding Jr. became a huge name after Jerry Maguire, but he never really gave off the image of someone obsessed with luxury or status. His public image always felt more grounded than glamorous. Number 4. Don Cheadle. Don Cheadle has had a long, respected career in both movies and television, yet he still comes across as low-key and serious. He never built his image around money, fame, or celebrity excess.